Hi everyone, Shehan Wicks here, Audi Sport Expert.ca for Audi tutorials. Today we're going to look at setting up your garage door opener on, say, a Q5, A4, A5, where you have a single screen, even an A3. So here we have the main screen. We can swipe across and we're going to go into Vehicle. From Vehicle, we want to click on Settings and Service, and from here you will see Garage Door Opener, and you can pick one of these. And with your remote now, you're going to have to be in front of your garage door, and as you can see from here, I'll do a little close-up. It's got your remote. You want to be holding it there with the transmitter towards the interior rear view mirror, which is just up here, and press and hold button. Okay, so that should activate it. I'm not in front of a garage door, but I just wanted to show you where to find it on the single screen. So if you want to continue, now we're just going to get out of this and go back, and there you have it. Now, in addition to the garage door opener on the single screen here, you can swipe down from the top and you will see it's here. You can click on that. Do you want to program your garage door opener? Say yes. And here we are as well. So that's a quick step. If not, you can also go to the home screen, Vehicle, and then back here to garage door opener. Right? Because it's right here. For more Audi tutorials, subscribe to my channel, Shehan Wicks.